Nonso. Welcome to the first day of the rest of our lives as husband and wife. Usually, things that are as permanent as forever can give me anxiety, but the idea of being married to you fills me with deep joy and calm. That is one of the many reasons why I know you are my soulmate. And yes, I am your soulmate too. Your soulmate is like your best friend. You feel calm around them. You have extreme empathy for them. You respect each other. You balance each other out. And you just want to be around each other.
Hi best friend, here we are finally. I'm so excited that I get to marry my soulmate. I remind myself every day how lucky I am to have met you and to be yours. It has been an incredible journey thus far, and you continuously showcase the blessing that you are. You're absolutely gorgeous on the outside, but even more beautiful on the inside. Our relationship comes with a deep sense of love, care, and affection.
I'm just so happy to see you happy and to have found you are equal, to have found you are somebody that complements you as well, that can only add more to your life, add more and complement you to be a better person. It's a blessing, and I'm so happy to witness this and to bring together two different cultures.
I feel like that's pretty much a description of our relationship, and I feel so lucky that we found each other. I hope you have a blast on this day that we'll remember for the rest of our lives, and I can't wait to see you at the altar. Love you forever and ever. Your wife, Harry.
So grateful to all of you. You see, today marks the expansion of our two families. It's not only the expansion of our two families, but it also signifies the coming together of our two great African cultures.
Love is old, love is new, love is all, and love is you. Today, I join my life to yours, not just as your husband, but as your companion and biggest fan for life. Today, I promise to be by your side through all of life's adventures.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going all right.
I promise that I will protect you with everything I have and everything I am. Your happiness is my happiness, and no matter what life throws at us, I promise I will stand by you. There is no heart for me like yours. There is no love for you like mine. No one in the world that I would rather have as my husband than you. I love you, and I can't wait to start our life together.
Yeah, I got the right vision, yeah, I won't let you down. We about to paint the town, got the people all around. We been surfing on the crown, yeah. We them cool kids with the roof down. Yeah, we let loose, so lighten up, break the rules now.
You guys must understand that you're gonna face a bunch of stuff. I will use other choice words, but I'll keep them for another day. All right? But you guys have to be there for one another because you've selected one another and said, we want to be together. And with that, I say cheers. I'm always here for you, brother. Hariyat, you're now a sister to me, and I'm always here for you. Love you guys.
Good life. I'm just living that good life. I'm just living that good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life. It's not exaggerated.
I now announce to all of you, they are husband and wife. You may seal your promises with a kiss. Nonso and Hariyat.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life.